Recently, the dental implant has become an extremely popular and reliable replacement for missing teeth. Implants not only offer an attractive and long-lasting option and provide a long-lasting solution, they also improve the functioning of the mouth and enhance overall dental health. Through advancements in technology, dental implants are now more easily accessible and cost-effective for people in Turkey as well as Europe. In the event of considering dental implants, among the main things to think about is price. Implants for dental purposes could be an investment of a substantial amount, therefore it's crucial to look at costs and choices prior to making a choice. In this short video, we'll look at the prices associated with dental implants both in Turkey as well as Europe and examine the variables that influence pricing. Turkey has grown to become a highly sought-after location for dental tourism because of its low prices, quality care, and highly skilled dentists. In Turkey, there is a significant savings on dental implants are significantly less than in Europe and makes it an appealing choice for people looking to save money on dentistry. The cost for one dental implant in Turkey can range from $500 to $1,000. In Europe, there is a range of anything from $3,000 to $1,000. The cost-effectiveness of dental implants within Turkey could be due to many aspects. One of the primary reasons is the cost-effectiveness living expenses in Turkey as compared to Europe and permits dental facilities to provide low prices but not sacrifice high quality. Furthermore, the intense market for dental clinics across Turkey has resulted in reduced prices and discounts to bring in more clients. But it is crucial to remember that the expense associated with dental implants in Turkey will vary according to the place of operation, the expertise of dentists, the type of material utilized, and the degree of complexity that the treatment requires. It is recommended that patients conduct their own studies and talk to multiple dentists to evaluate prices to find the right choice for their specific needs. In Europe, the price of dental implants generally is greater due to increased prices for labor, overheads, and high-quality standards. Even though the expense could be higher, more patients opt to receive dental implants from Europe due to the stringent guidelines and standards which ensure safe and high-quality treatment. If comparing the cost of dental implants, when comparing the costs of dental implants Turkey as well as Europe, the patient should be aware of additional costs, including travel, accommodation, and other expenses. While the expense of dental implants could be cheaper in Turkey, but the costs of treatment might be greater when incorporating costs for travel. Both Turkey as well as Europe, both countries offer premium dental implant options at various cost points. Patients must weigh costs along with the convenience, quality, and cost before deciding on a place for your dental implant procedure. Talking to experienced dentists and comparing prices is a great way to assist patients to make an informed decision that fits the needs of their budget and requirements. Dental implants, in general, are an investment that can benefit the health of your mouth and overall wellness. No matter if you opt to have dental implants from Turkey or Europe, the main aspect is to put your focus on dental health. Choose an established clinic with skilled specialists. Through comparing the costs and choices and options, patients will be able to choose the ideal solution for their dental needs and have the perfect, beautiful smile.